Hey guys, I'm going to be playing Slither.io today, because I haven't made a Slither.io video today. I know it's kind of late, I've been up since 4:30 this morning, which is crazy for me. So, I'm going to just nickname me Coley. Yeah, Coley. I don't really know how to... Oh my god, my screen is so... Oh, there's a big one over there. It's kind of like catching a fish, but it's not really... Don't, oh, my computer's so laggy. Everybody's laggy, whatever. Yeah, like I really care about my life. Am I gonna have to reload the window? Okay, great. Whatever. I'm just gonna do that. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Cadole. What size am I? 22? Like the little recording thing is kind of blocking my view from Putin. That's kind of funny. And it says Mama Shark do. Snake Sphere. Snake Sphere, get it, everybody? Not Shakespeare's Snake Sphere. Unidentified, whatever. Oh, please, again? Seriously, is it gonna be just me reloading the page a whole bunch of time? Like, I really care. Ooh. I'm gonna do this for my friend Ben. Matter. That's it, like uranium. Uranium. That spelling is wrong. How do I not know how to spell? How do I spell on? Okay. Identified matter. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. Identified matter. Yeah, like, are these worms or snakes? I say they kind of looks more like worms than snakes, but I don't know if it is. How does that dude kill me? My computer's so laggy. That's why I'm gonna end up getting a laptop. My graphics are high quality. That's not real. Unidentified matter. Maybe I should make my skin like really creepy. I'm gooder than you, little bugger. The Donald is the top. Flaming hoe. I just wanted a hug. Dennis. Chomp chomp, I'm gooder than you. No. Thank you, my computer. I don't know how. My computer can't really support Minecraft even. Well, it's been... I might end the video at like 5 minutes. I know I haven't done anything on Slither. Whatever, Slither.io. Don't. I'm gonna get away from that dude. That dude is kind of scaring me. Early. I used to use hacks on Slither. Like my friend. Oh, Jacksepticeye. Oh, Jacksepticeye. I think I'm gonna do maybe another or 2 more rounds of Slither. I'm sorry, guys. No offense to Slither.io pros, but my computer sucks. That's why. I want to get a laptop on Windows 10. Because this thing is Windows 7. Look how those things, the background too. Come on. Oh, please. Reload it again. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I actually don't. What if I name myself Jack? This is the same server. Because I remember Mama Shark Shark okay, I don't want to get copyrighted. Laser beam, that's probably a lie. What if that actually was the real laser beam? Or does the laser beam even play Slither? Question mark. Oh, please! Oh, please, I died. I knew I was gonna die anyway. So, guys, I'm gonna go end it off here. I'm sorry for people that are Slither.io pros. Unlike me, because my computer is a little garbage. Bye, guys, and subscribe and like the video, and I don't care about notifications. Like, I don't post every day, like PewDiePie or whatever. Okay, bye, guys.